This was our Airbnb in Macon, Mississippi. It is a home in a duplex. It is 2 complete houses under one roof. The host lives on one side, and then we stayed on the other side. This was an amazing and unique home to stay in. Everything you need and then some. Our hostess left us a welcome gift of homemade goat soaps and hand lotion made from her very own goats. What made this home so unique was the heating system. Not only did it have a wood burner stove, but it also had electric heaters built into the walls in every room, as well as an entire home sweeping system. Very, very cool. It was cozy and relaxing, especially after a long day of driving. This little guy kept me entertained. I had never seen a squirrel with a 2-tone color body, a black head, and a white nose. But evidently it is a fox squirrel, and they are known in Mississippi by the white nose. Who knew? This one loved digging for the pecans. Just look how big he is and the fat wrinkles around his belly. Our hostesses, Ornida and her mother Tilly, were a delight to talk with. They have a little farm with goats, chickens, cattle, and pigs. You can see the love of their work all around them and in everything that they do. A budget-friendly Airbnb that we highly recommend.